Hey, Khloe.
Can you drive us to New York City?
A baby driving? What?
Driving an RV can make you feel like a kid, just learning how to drive again. But driving an RV into New York City? That's a whole other game. Join us as we drive our RV into New York City. Today, something really incredible is happening. We are driving our RV into New York City.
So while we're just cutting through the middle of this video, I wanted to take a quick moment to talk about being a little bit nervous driving into New York City and potentially some of the apps you should look at to help navigate you through there. So we noticed when we got through in driving into Jersey City that there were a lot of low bridges, there were a lot of tight turns, and there were a lot of cars. And some people said, okay, well, I could probably use Google Maps, but I didn't think that that was safe enough because you do get stuck in some really tricky situations. We got stuck actually driving past a drive-through car wash. There were 10-foot bridges and all that stuff. And so what we did was actually we used two things. We used one, Copilot, which I definitely recommend, and two, we used a trucker app as well. And so both those things allowed you to set in your height requirements, your weight, and your length and so forth for your RV or fifth wheel or whatever you're driving in there to make sure that you navigate safely to get through those tough and tight situations. And even with that, even with all of those, I still found it tight and nerve-wracking, and we were driving potentially not even within rush hour for the first drive day. Like we're in the city with our RV.
We are in the city with our RV.
At the harbor, we're going to be overlooking New York City for the next few days. But it's a hell to try and get there right now. Got some tight turns trying to get around people and people not wanting to get out of our way.
So this is a huge city.
We do not want to miss this next turn or we're screwed. So we are gonna, this is a parking lot. We're basically gonna pull around and back into our spots here. We're gonna do all the way around. There's a dump station there. There's our spot. And we are in a parking lot for while we're in New York City. It's gonna be fun because we're close to all these ferries and everything like that. And it's only $7 per person to take a ride over to New York City.
Pop out our sides, or is it going to be like hitting them? Oh my god! You see that electrical above there?
Yeah.
Wow. That's an insane amount of electrical, and we are right under it. Do we have another spot? I don't like this spot. I'm so damn serious. I'm serious. I don't like that spot.
What we got?
If you don't like your spot at any campground that you're at, just go talk to the front office. They will do their best to change it for you. And here, they did.
So we pulled up to our spot, and this spot had a ton of electrical, so we are changing spots. This one's much better. There's no electrical over us. It'll be much safer.
Okay, so now we just need to get into our spot, unpack, unwind, and then we can go see the pier.
So I usually like to back in from the other direction, but with time and patience, you can back into just about any spot.
How do we get on the boat?
How do we get on the boat?
Mommy, how do we get on the boat?
We're just gonna walk around the harbor, sweetie.
I got my first camera.
So we're staying in Liberty Harbor, which is so close to New York City. Literally, you could see it across the bay, and we're walking right now to go see the Statue of Liberty from the New Jersey side. The girls are having fun and we're seeing all the sights. Khloe was taking a nap, but she just woke up. So we made it. We made it all the way to New York City. Actually, we're in Jersey City, but we've got the city behind us.
Yeah.
And we're here at sunset.
We're taking in all the views and we're gonna go see it tomorrow. Yeah.
Chloe's enjoying the breeze. And Kiara's just walking. She's counting the bricks. She's got her own camera now, so she's taking pictures of everything for us. How are you doing, Karolina?
Good. But mine died.
Your camera died, yeah. You see that big boat behind you? It's an absolute gorgeous night tonight as we're walking along the pier and checking out the skyline of New York City. So Kiara's gonna get a ride. She's getting tired.
I get a ride on Mommy's back, and I'm happy.
You're happy?
Yeah, on Mommy's back, and I'm holding the
Yeah. So's Khloe.
so cool.
Yeah, we're walking back to the RV right now, and it's getting windy and it's getting a little chilly, so Karolina wants a ride.
So we're at Liberty Landing and we're walking all the way back to the RV now to get some sleep before tomorrow's busy day.
Ready, guys? Let's go! Thanks so much for joining us. Hope you'll hit subscribe and join us on our adventures.
Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Bye.